Hi, my name is Bookie, and welcome to another tips and tricks from AppsEvents and Acer. If you are unfamiliar in using Google Docs and struggle to use Word documents within Google Docs, then this is a tip to try out. So let's have a look at how easily we can keep the formatting of your Word document within Google Docs. If your Word document appears like this within Google Docs where the formatting is completely off, then try this quick tip. First of all, make sure that you are signed into your Google Drive. Then select New and select File Upload. This will give you a chance to locate the Word document that you want to convert into Google Docs. Once you've located your Word document, select it and click on Open. Just wait a few moments as it uploads. You can click on Recent and this will show you that it's been added. Now, press right click and then choose Open with Google Docs. And this will immediately convert the Word document format that you have into Google Docs. So you can see any images that were originally included, the formatting with lines that you have, and text is exactly the same as it would normally appear. In addition, if you go to File, you can save this as Google Docs. I hope you found that useful. If you're looking for even more tips and tricks, try visiting the website appsevents.com. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.